China awoke economically 40 years ago and has seen unparalleled growth since then. It was in 1978 that Deng Xiaoping set the country on a new path. His economic reforms unleashed rapid urbanization and industrialization, which helped pull some 700 million people out of poverty. It's estimated that between 2011 and 2013, China used more cement than the United States did in the entire 20th century. And as the People's Republic of China celebrates its 70th anniversary this year, GDP per capita has risen 200 times in cities like Shanghai. But Beijing's growth at all costs agenda has created huge imbalances. Wealth is unevenly distributed, debt has exploded, and trade tensions are rife. The economy is weakening and efforts to stimulate have stalled. And the financial system that once financed this rapid development must now finance a rapidly aging population. Against this backdrop, Beijing is opening up its financial system, granting foreign investors unprecedented access to its domestic markets. As a result, mainland companies listed on the China A-share market, one of the largest in the world, are now being introduced to MSCI indices. Some of these are the stocks that have the potential to be both domestic and global leaders. Meanwhile, $3 trillion worth of Chinese bonds are set to be added to the Bloomberg Barclays Aggregate Index, marking another important step in the journey towards global inclusion. China's onshore equity and bond markets offer potentially attractive returns and are a new way for global investors to diversify their portfolios. Although many investors remain cautious, ignoring this market now is an active decision. Yes, there are risks. This is still an immature market and concerns over governance standards, for example, are founded. But things are changing. With on-the-ground research, resources and a long-term approach, we believe we can manage the risks and uncover quality investments. Aberdeen Standard Investments is one of the most experienced investors in Chinese companies. We've been active here since the 1990s and we've watched this story unfold. We believe the next chapter is too big to ignore.